What's up, nail friends? In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick and simple pink milk bath design, and I'm going to include application, encapsulation, pinching the nails, and finish filing. So if you're interested in all of that, just keep watching. To start this set, I'm going to be using my Glitter Bells Clear Monomer. I'm just pouring that in my dish using my number 10 brush, and that's the brush I will be using this whole time. I'm starting the set on Glitter Bells Extra Long Tips, and I've double dipped into Rosy Pink and Marshmallow. So if you don't know what double dipping is, you just dip into your first color. So here I picked up Rosy Pink, and then I went directly into Marshmallow with the same bead, and that way you pick up both colors on the one bead. So I'm placing that around the cuticle area. I'm using the very tip of my number 10 brush to push close into the cuticle area, and then I'm just fading this down the nail. So this is just going to be my base. The next bead I pick up is a triple dip, so I did the same thing, but I picked up 3 beads. So Snowdrops White, Pink Pastel, and Rosy Pink, and then I went in and applied some of that Marshmallow right in there as well. So this is not supposed to look like anything. I'm just applying these 4 colors on the tip, fading them down. This isn't supposed to look nice or pretty. I'm going to be covering this with flowers, but this is just what it looks like for now. So I have some flowers that I've cut up, and I put them on a palette just for easy pickup. So I'm going in to pick up the flowers with soft white from Glitter Bells. So it is white, but it's a soft white, so it's not fully opaque. It's kind of see-through, which is really nice to do milk bath designs because then you get that dimension and layered look. So I'm using purple, baby pink, and these kind of like darker pink flowers in this design. So I decided to pull out some of the brand new loose glitters. So here is Fairy Dust Multi-Mix, and I'm just putting this into the nail as well. So I'm trying not to overlap the flowers. I'm just putting it in the empty spaces. Once I've got that done, I'm going to let that dry for a minute, and then I'm picking up Pink Pastel and Soft White, and I'm going over top of the nail with that. So this will dull the nail out a bit and make it look a little bit milkier, which is the goal we're going for. So I'm just placing this down, and I'm just dragging it over. You want to still have some of that color from underneath showing through. You want this to be very dimensional. So I'm just applying 3 beads of that, and if you cover too much of your flowers, you can always reapply flowers on top. It's a layered design, and you can play around with it for as long as you want until you're happy. So I feel like I covered way too much of the flowers at the very top, so I'm going to go in and apply some more flowers just to bring them forward, and a little bit of glitter to bring forward, because I did cover up a lot of the glitter with the soft white and pink pastel. So I just want some of it coming forward and some of it dull in the background. So that is how you create your layered effects. So after I let that dry, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate this. So I'm using my Glitter Bells glass slippers. Whenever I do a nail this long, I like to apply my clear at the tip first to make sure that is nice and even before going in with my cuticle and apex. Now I'm applying a bigger bead, and I'm not applying it at the cuticle area. I'm applying it a little bit further back, and then I'm bending the finger downward in order to allow gravity to help me so that no product goes into her cuticle area or sidewalls. And then I pat the product around her cuticle area and drag it down the nail. After encapsulating the nail, it is shiny like this. So we're going to be pinching this nail, so I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. You can see it went matte, and to test if it's ready for pinching, you just want to use your fingers, and you want to squeeze the product. If the product is able to be moved without smushing, then it is ready for pinching. So I'm just taking a pinching tool here. You can get them on eBay or Amazon, and I'm just pinching the sidewalls slightly. So this will just help the C-curves, give the nail more strength, and give it a more tapered look. I left that nail to fully dry, and now we can finish file. So I'm just using my Glitter Bells metal file boards with the refills, and I'm first filing my sidewalls, and then I'm going over the side here. So I'm thinning out the sides. I'm going up and down right here. You can see I'm just pointing it out for you guys. I'm just thinning out this one side first. So you can see I'm doing that by pulling my file one way. So you're not going up and down, back and forth. You're picking up your file each time you file. And now I'm filing the free edge and around the cuticle area. So basically you're just going to want to file till your side walls have been thinned out, the center of the nail still has product on it for your apex, but that the nail is tapered and thin where it's supposed to be. Now I'm just using an orange buffing block to buff the nails. Then you're going to want to make sure to dust off all the extra dust before applying top coat. So I did add some crystals with my Glitter Bells base glue, and I'm just going in with my no wipe top coat. Don't get this on your crystals, just get this on the nail. You could have done this nail matte as well, but I thought with the dimension it would look really pretty shiny, and it totally does. So just apply that and then cure it for 60 seconds. You want to let that dry for about a minute before applying your cuticle oil so you don't dull the shine. And here is the finished set. So I hope you guys like this design. I had a lot of fun creating this. I really love layered milk bath designs or layered designs in general. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.